eToro Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to eToro are in the description. eToro's crypto staking service is designed for users who want to earn passive income on their crypto holdings without any complicated setup. Unlike traditional staking platforms, eToro offers a fully automated staking system, meaning you simply hold eligible assets in your account, and rewards are distributed monthly. This makes it an ideal choice for beginners and investors looking for a hassle-free staking experience. Currently, eToro supports staking for Cardano, ADA, Ethereum, ET8, and Tron, TRX, with the potential for more assets in the future. The reward rates vary depending on your membership level within eToro's club system, which consists of tiers like Silver, Gold, Platinum, and Diamond. Higher tier members receive a larger percentage of the staking rewards, while eToro retains a small portion as a service fee. Rewards typically range between 75% to 90% of the total staking yield, making it competitive compared to custodial staking providers. One of the key benefits of staking with eToro is its security and ease of use. Unlike decentralized staking, where users must manage wallets and private keys, eToro handles all the technical aspects, ensuring a regulated and secure environment. Users don't have to worry about slashing penalties or losing funds due to validator downtime. Additionally, eToro provides detailed monthly reports on staking earnings, ensuring full transparency. However, there are some limitations. Unlike other staking platforms that offer a wide range of assets, eToro currently supports only a few tokens. Additionally, since eToro is a custodial platform, users don't have direct control over their private keys, meaning their funds are held within eToro's ecosystem. This is great for convenience, but might not appeal to those who prefer complete decentralization. Overall, eToro staking is a great option for users who want a simple, secure, and automated staking experience without dealing with complex technical processes. It's best suited for passive investors who prioritize convenience over flexibility. If that sounds like you, check out the links in the description and start earning rewards with eToro today.